Today, you're going to learn everything there is to know about gospel chords. It's going to sound like this. Today, you're going to be operating in the key of C major, and we're going to be using a lot of triads. And if you haven't checked out the number system, I'd recommend after this video to go check out the number system. So this song starts off playing C to a F major triad, back to a C. Okay, so one more time. C, F, C. Okay. Then we're just playing triads, B flat to an F again, back to a C. Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, we're gonna repeat that then. Okay, back to a B flat, and then this last time we're gonna play an E altered, the sharp 9, sharp 5, and it looks like that, okay? To an A minor, or you could play an A minor 7, doesn't really matter. And I love doing this walk down, going from an A minor to a D7. I love this sound because we're resolving right here to this D7. You can also play a D7 right up here. I guess that would be a D major. Okay. Then going back to a B flat to an F. I like going down there. F, F dominant. Okay. And then the vamp is just C, B flat, F, B flat, C. Okay. So let's walk through this whole thing together. There's a lot of triads. The only chord that really isn't a triad is this big clunky E altered. It's the sharp 9, sharp 5, okay? But let's walk through this whole progression together. At the end of it, you're gonna have a really, really great grasp on the chords that gospel guitar players use. All right, so C, F, C, B flat, F, C. And then you can do this little walk up if you want. That's a really, really nice embellishment. And then we're going to repeat it. C, F, C. Okay. We're going to go into the next part. B flat, E dominant, A minor 7. Walk that thing down. The D7 or D9. Multiple ways to play it. Okay. B flat, F, okay, and then the vamp. Okay, so let's do the whole thing now in tempo together. You're going to want to have your guitar handy. Playing it nice and slow. Embellishment. And then to the vamp. Lots of chords, okay? And if you feel any type of confusion, I would really encourage you to check out the number system. I have a video right here for you. It helps piece everything together so that it's not just a bunch of random chords mushed together. It's a bunch of chords that have a logic and have a sequence that often follow each other. So you're going to see patterns. These chords are oftentimes in a certain sequence, and the number system allows you to make sense of the guitar, and really it allows you to make sense of music in general. Bonus tip for everyone that is still watching: if you want to solo, I would highly recommend playing a pentatonic scale major pentatonic scale, starting right here, a C major pentatonic. That box shape. If you want to have tips on how to play a pentatonic scale, I have a video right here as well for you. You can also move this box shape up 3 frets to give it a minor flavor, and you can rotate back and forth in between